Alright, hey pack leaders, this is Hian with Friends Are Protecting Families. We're checking back. I'm going to do a report for today. We've been having quite a bull run, and it's the kind of market that we don't want to participate in, mainly because our settings are optimized for trading sideways. So we just kind of ride the tide and let it run. But it's an easy trade that you can just manually jump in if you like and just put an order in and watch it go up, right? I mean, it doesn't take much to, is it going up, down, RSI, whatever, get in, out, let the bot take care of the sideways stuff. You can definitely just jump in and dollar cost average in, dollar cost average, sell and whatever. Now there is a thing that I originally had programmed to, it's called the original trap, where it will buy and sell, buy and sell. So you kind of go in little by little, and it just leaves a little bit behind, so that it kind of builds up as it keeps going. And that's the original trap. But I'm thinking about maybe setting it up, but I don't know if I want to mess it up, kind of thing. So I've been testing on a separate account with a different strategy actually. So, but it's doing well. I don't know which is better, but let me just show you the results that we have today. Now we did get stopped out quite a bit last night until we go, oh, you know what? It's running. We better chill. So I lost quite a bit because we've been short. Every time we came in, we had the short top, long bottom option on, and so that just kept on racking up losses. And eventually we're like, dude, I better cut this out. So we updated the settings. So we haven't been trading since 4 o'clock this morning. We're just waiting for it to kind of go sideways. So this is on our BTC account. On our ETH, I think it's the same also. It might have gotten in on 1, but I did lose a little bit on that too. Yeah, so we just, 4 o'clock in the morning, we stopped trading after I updated it to not trade sideways. I'm not trade sideways, to not trade shorting to the top. And also we override the sideways too long. So it just hasn't been in a sideways position for us to jump in yet. It's just been, if it moves up within 2 hours, keeps ramping up, we're just not gonna jump in. Okay, so unless it kind of goes this sideways for quite a while, but it just keeps breaking new highs. So I think definitely we're on a parabolic move right now. You kind of see the parabolic kind of coming out right there. I don't know how high, how far, but once it starts, I just notice it goes for a couple days to a week. Maybe just for today it'll slam back down. I don't know, but if today and tomorrow keeps going, then yeah, we're heading that direction. But yeah, I mean, with this all pandemic and money printing, it makes sense for it to keep going up. So there's a lot of opportunities lost here because we're just riding the tide. Now I do have my test account here, and it did jump in on some juicy trades, like tier 68631, held out for about $100 move. Got in here. I couldn't fill all the way. It looks like, and it got in. I actually shorted. I was like, whoa. So I shorted a little bit because it got sideways, and this is on got out $20 later. Then this is one was it got out $60 later on this move on a long. Okay, so I made a little bit for the day, and this setting, it is not the trap strategy that we have, but it's actually a. Let me pull that one up here. We actually enter if it's like a $60 drop from the top. So that's mainly it, really, so that we can kind of play a little bit of this. And everything is override to, let's see, no, I don't think I override everything for sideways to, no, I did override. I'm not sure how it shorted that one. That's interesting. Yeah, not sure how that happened, other than if it downtrended, then I would have shorted it. But yeah, everything should be override too long. Yeah, I'm not sure how this one got in there. That's kind of curious how that happened. Anyways, maybe it oh, you know what? I think what happens, it maybe overfilled that, like it closed this order and overfilled it, and then we have to kind of close it out. I guess that's probably what happened. That's what I'm guessing. Sometimes that does happen when we try to take profit and then it doesn't fill it away, and then we kind of lower it a little bit, and we had double short orders to fill. That could have been a dangerous event too, but good thing it was a little smaller. All right, so That's kind of where we're at for now. I may try the trap method here on the small account, see if it does anything different. I'll save this, set that aside, and see where this takes us. And then if I can do the trap method and that's kind of really bringing it, I might bring this back out to trade on the bigger account. All right, cool. Yeah, so this basically just disables the percentage distance, and then this kind of just says false for that. So all we do is based on price. So if it drops 0.0068% of the price, which is about $60 from the top, then we'll enter. And that has happened. It's easy for that to happen, especially for BTC. See here. Yeah, see from here, 830. If it drops down to 800, that's probably where we entered for a long, and then it just keeps powering through. So, pow, 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 pachow. All right, cool. Happy trading. Talk to you then.